Whew. I was looking at my hair today and I'm starting to embrace the greatness. So, let's sit down and have a conversation about today's video. I'm going to talk about some systems, okay? And I don't mean just like systems. You may think email systems. Okay, it's a part of it, but there are some other systems that I use in my business. So we're going to talk about it today. So, hey sis, welcome back to the channel. And this is going to be a heart-to-heart masterclass, as I love to do. You know, the kind of video where I let you in behind the scenes of my business, but more than that, into my rhythm, like how I think and how I maneuver. Because the truth is, I didn't just build this brand by accident. I built it with intention, with systems, and with the deep desire to live a life of peace, of purpose, and of course, my favorite, passive income. So today, I want to share with you the 4 systems behind my soft life brand, the systems that keep me in line, while I'm still making money. So grab your journal, let's talk, your favorite drink. I got some tea from Dunkin' Donuts. My oldest daughter actually works at Dunkin' Donuts, so she always brings me drinks every day. And I'm really into my era where I'm testing things out. And this is their sweet tea. Just in case Dunkin' Donuts want to sponsor me. I'm just playing. But I really, really like their sweet tea. So yeah, grab your drink and let's have a conversation. So for a long time, I thought hustling was holy. Now, it's nothing wrong with hustling if that's what you're doing. But that's what, you know, you want, because we all have some seasons where we're going to be hustling. And when I think about hustling, for me, hustling means I'm doing more doing just to be doing it. I also think of hustling as I am doing more things with my body, meaning I'm physically going out doing. For me, that's hustle. So everybody has their own definition of hustle, but I do believe that there is going to be seasons, and I put it with a S because there are going to be seasons where you are going to be hustling because you need to build while you're getting things off of the ground. So there is going to be some periods of that hustling mentality or demeanor based on my definition. See, what I used to think that rest meant laziness and ease meant I wasn't doing enough. Have you ever felt like that? Like, in a place in my business now, I make more money when I'm resting. So when I say terms like make money in your sleep, I literally every night make money in my sleep. So that means someone is intentionally purchasing something from me in the nighttime while I'm sleeping. That may be daytime for them, depending on where they are, right? But for me, it's nighttime. It's why I am sleeping. It's why I'm resting. Okay. So that has here lately, like I'm talking about the last couple months, has been happening for me. Like I would literally pick up my phone and wake up to money, like PayPal, system me notifications that I made sales in my sleep. However, during the daytime, that means your girl is working. That means I'm on the laptop. I'm writing books. I'm writing the emails. I'm recording the YouTube videos. There's a plane going across from me. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah. So yeah. So I just want you to. I want to make sure that I emphasize some things, as I go into these type of videos because it can look different for everyone. So but hopefully you can find something that you can resonate with. God had to literally strip me of the noise so that I can rebuild my business in with wisdom. I may have told this story before. When I started in entrepreneurship, I didn't start off in this publishing thing that I'm doing now. I actually started my entrepreneur journey in 2014. This was when Facebook was there, but it wasn't popping like it is now. So I started off as speaking, and then being a speaker led to being a coach, and then being a coach led to me writing books, and then writing books and being a part of book anthologies led me to publishing. Okay. When I got into publishing, the one before I learned the process, learned how to write my own books and just kind of the methodology around that. I got into publishing, meaning I got into publishing as a hybrid publisher. So that means I got into this providing publishing services for other people, okay, for a very long time. Did that from 2016. No, I wrote my first book in 2016. So 2018 is when I launched BWE Publishing and Consulting. That's my publishing company. I still have it to this day because that's the company I used to publish my books under. So I would help other people to publish their books, or I published them for them. Did that from 2018 until late 2023. 2023, I got into this rut where I was stuck. Like, I was tired of doing things for other people. A lot of things just took place where, I just felt like my season was up for providing those type of services. So, which later in 2023 led me over here to YouTube. Now, I always had a YouTube channel. If you can look at, you can look at the history of my YouTube channel, but I wasn't like YouTubing for real. YouTube was a place that I would house my videos and put them on unlisted for clients and things like that. That's what I would use YouTube for. And then I said, you know what? I really want to focus on me. I want to get back to writing my own books and publishing my own books. And so I shut down the services part of my business, and where I would limit it to, even now, I'm down to like one person that I'm working with. And after that person, I'm like totally done. I'm not doing any more services, right? That's how I just, and the only reason why I'm publishing their book is because I known them for a long time. So it's not like, like a lead or somebody that you don't know. No, this person I knew. So now I'm in this place since 2023 where God was like, listen, there's more for you. I have better for you. There's some things you need to learn. And so I got into this passive income space, like writing multiple books and creating the mini her book method. It has been and still is amazing, but I had to be stripped from something, spiritually, physically, emotionally, and, business wise. I had to be stripped. God had to really remind me that rest is strategy. A soft life isn't about doing less, but it's about building systems that let your values lead. So let me show you, what that looks like inside of my own brand. The first system is a content system. This is where I educate, I empower, and I invite. So I don't just post just to post. I follow a strategy that lets me show up consistently without burning out. I use like pillar content, like YouTube, Medium, and my daily email. Then I repurpose that across Pinterest and maybe sometimes on TikTok. So sometimes I'm batching, and I schedule and I let my content just do the talking even when I'm resting, especially with my YouTube. I do at this very moment in my season, I am posting a YouTube video a day. It's a part of my system. I don't make it hard. I do it because there is something or people that God wants me to reach, and I need to get this value out there. I'm here. I'm serving. This is my way of serving while I am putting out daily YouTube videos. So yeah, I have a content system, and this is something that I teach my clients, that you need to have a daily method of operation as a mini her author. And a part of that for me is hosting a YouTube short daily, repurposing that on Pinterest, and repurposing it on TikTok, sometimes in my Facebook business page, and posting on the post on the post tab here on YouTube, or it used to be community tab, now they changed it to post daily, so because I know how the algorithm works, I work the algorithm. The goal is to keep myself visible to the women that need me, because you never know. I never know where you're going to show up, so you may be scrolling in the middle of the night and there is my video. And so what I learn about YouTube as well is that when someone subscribes to your channel, is that in order for them to constantly, and you to have a library of content, you got to build the content. So this is me building content, building valuable content that will last, and not only last, but will also be very, very helpful to my audience. A second system I have is a product system. So this is many her books and digital products. Okay. I don't offer everything. I offer what moves people and what pays me back. Okay. My brand is anchored in many her books. Okay. They're simple, powerful 50-page books that create income and impact. That's why I love writing in series, because there's a reason why I'm doing that. Then I lead people to my mini her book starter kit, Digital Profits You, the Profitable Publishers Collective. So each product is connected to a system, no guessing, just grace and really guidance from God. Now, the third system that I have is a delivery system, which is my automation plus boundaries. Okay. This one saved me. I use a tool called systeme.io. They have email automation. I can put my courses in there. I can deliver real value without being on all the time. So my community, you can download, learn, you can buy, buy from me without me needing to show up, while I live life every single day. Here's a key insight I want you to remember is that automate with love, not lack. You want to make sure that your system that you use is serving you well, but also serving your customers well as well. And number 4 is a support system. This is my faith, my family, and my flow. This one is spiritual to me. My business is built around my life, not the other way around. So I really pray over my schedule. I personally homeschool my kids. I build in quiet times. Sometimes that's at night, sometimes it's early morning. And I only say yes to what aligns with the woman that God is shaping me to be. Like, remember I told you earlier, I used to speak, so that means I used to travel to speak and those type of things. I'm not in that season right now, so if I do take on speaking engagements, that's if I take on is very minimum. It is either something local or it's either something that's virtual, okay? Because that's the season that I am. Please remember, honor the season that you are in while you are building. Yes, do I eventually want to go back into traveling to speak? Probably yes, but I realize that I am really honoring my season. And another word I want you to think about too is to love the season that you're in. And sometimes, and I'm going to tell you, I'm not 100%. Baby, if I could tell you what's really going on in my life like that, you would think, well, God knows that girl still show up every day. Yes, because it's my duty. This is my purpose. Like, regardless of what's going on in my life and my situation, I have to find ways to serve you, my audience. That's how deep the mission is for me, especially around many her books. This is how deep it goes. So love the season you are in, honor the season you are in, because that's kind of the way, that's the seeds that you're giving God, that you will be ready for your next, or this season that you want to be in. So I honor where I am. That's why I build my business the way that I build it. And don't let nobody help you to second guess where you are. Trust me, you are in the right place at the right time. So that's the real system behind the soft life that I have built. The one that you can't buy or schedule, but you can absolutely choose it. See, I remember one weekend we were in a nice luxury hotel, and I was in there working on my next mini her book. I wasn't rushing. I wasn't overwhelmed. I was just flowing, and I looked around and I thought, this is it. Like, this is what I pray for. It's not just the view, but it was the peace, it was the rhythm, it was the alignment. Like, these is what these systems brought me in this space. It brought me that sanity, that stillness, that peace. So if you are ready to create your own rhythm, okay, I don't want you to be like me. I want you to create your own rhythm, but I want you to look deeper and say, okay, do you want the type of business that I have? There are some systems that you definitely will have to follow in order to do that. So let me go ahead and share that with you. So if you're ready to create your own rhythm, your own soft life blueprint, you don't have to figure it out all by yourself. If you want to start like a digital product business, then join me inside Digital Profits If you want to build a book-based business like myself with strategy and support, then come on into the Profitable Publishers Collective, because you already carry the calling. We just got to build the systems together to match the calling and where you want to go. So I'm here. Okay. Either way that you choose, it can be done. Of course, I have all of the links in the description, and either one that you choose, I'm going to be right there to support you. Enjoy sharing my systems with you, although those are not all the systems, but I didn't want this to be all about me, but I wanted to really, share behind the scenes. And I know that some of you love that type of content, because I do too. Might be because I'm nosy. So I want to know what you're doing. I want to know your secrets. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a like. Okay. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you enjoyed this video, or which system do you have in your business, or that you desire to have, and choose which way you want to go. You want to like build a digital product business. Now that way it's gonna, faster. It is faster. Or you want the book-based business. But either way, I'm here. Okay. Go ahead and hit that notification bell as well if you want to get a notification every time that I upload a new video, because you'll be the first to know. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video, but it's starting to rain here in North Carolina again. If you've been on any of my other videos, it has been raining lately. So hopefully we'll have some sunshine soon. But other than that, it feels great out here. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get some writing done out here. I will talk to you soon in the next video. Bye.